Sunday, September 15th, 2024. 24th Sunday in Ordinary Time. Day of Vocation Promotion. Focus. Let him deny himself and take up his cross and follow me. Today, we pray specifically for vocations to the priesthood and religious life while remembering that each one of us has a vocation. Whom did Jesus choose as his apostles? He chose Judas, who betrayed him, Peter, who denied him, Thomas, who doubted him, James and John, who were filled with anger. All whom Jesus chose had weaknesses, but they had a special calling. We too are weak, but Jesus chooses us to follow him. Perhaps as consecrated persons or as lay persons, we all have the responsibility to proclaim Christ. So we have to deny ourselves and take up our cross and follow him. Pope Francis once said, "Becoming a priest or religious is not primarily our own decision. Rather, it is the response to a call and to a call of love." We can promote vocations by helping our family members and others grow in holiness. We can also inspire by example. St. James says, "Show me your faith apart from your works, and I will show you my faith by my works." Family members or the community sometimes discourage a young man who wants to become a priest. This must change. Fruit. Today, let me lead by example, deny myself, take up my cross, and follow Christ.